Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see lines 788 to 821 from the prologue to the Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer. Come, let's go to the prologue. Lordings, quoth he, now heareth for the best. Now he says, Gentlemen, listen for the best course of action. But take it not, I pray you, in disdain. And please don't think that I am telling it out of disdain. Disdain means out of scorn or taking things for granted. This is the point to spoken short and plain. I am going to tell you my point very shortly and plainly. That each of you to short with our way. He's saying that we are going to travel the same distance. But for you people not to feel the distance, that is why he says to short the distance, in this voyage shall tell tales two to Canterbury ward, I mean it so, and homeward he shall tell other two. That is, his idea is on the way to Canterbury, each one of you will tell two tales. And while we are coming back from Canterbury homeward also, you will tell two tales of adventures that Wilhelm have befall. And what tales you have to tell is, you must tell tales of adventures that had happened in the past. And which of you that beareth him best of all, that is to say that telleth in this case tales of best sentence and most solace. And among you, who is going to tell the best tale, that is, he says, who is going to tell stories of good morals, that is what he means by best sentence, and most solace means which is going to give more pleasure than others, shall have a supper at our all cost here in this place, sitting by this post. So what will be the judgment is that he will have supper at the cost of all of us, at the cost of all others, and where he will sit is, he will sit in this place, in this post. That post must be a very prominent post among the other places. When that we come again from Canterbury, and when he will have the supper is when we come back from Canterbury. And for to make you the more merry, I will myself gladly with you ride, right at my own cost, and be your guide. And he says, to make you people more happy, I will also come along with you. That is, I will also ride along with you happily. And that I will do with my own cost. That is, you people need not spend any money for me. And I will also be your guide. And whoso will my judgment with say. And among with you people, if there is someone who is going to not accept my judgment, shall pay all that we spent by the way. He will be spending all the money that we are going to spend on the way. And if you vouchsafe that it be so, tell me anon without words more. So if you people are going to agree to this, tell me immediately without wasting any more words. And I will early shape me therefore, so that I can get ready early accordingly. This thing was granted, and our others swore with full glad heart, and prayed him also. And this all of us granted, and others swore. That is, we swore that we will accept whatever he said. And we said, you can do as you feel. And he would vouchsafe for to do so. That he would vouchsafe for to do so means we feel that he will take us safely, and whatever he does will be accepted by us, and that he would be our governor and of our tales judge and reporter. We all accepted that he will be our governor, that is a person who will guide us, and he will be the judge for our tales and reporter. So he will be the one who is recording all our tales. And set a supper at a certain price, and we will ruled being at his device. And he has to fix the rate of the supper at a certain price, and we will all do as he devises, whatever he says, in height and laugh, and thus by anon assent. One assent means unanimously. In height and laugh means with lot of respect, we all unanimously accepted, we been accorded to his judgment. We will listen to whatever is his judgment. And thereupon the wine was fetched anon. And after deciding this, the wine was fetched immediately. We drunken and to rest went each one, without any longer tiring. After drinking the wine, each one of us went to take rest without any longer tiring, means without any delay. We all went to take rest because they had to get ready early in the morning the next day. So here ends the line 821. And if you have anything to add on to this, please write it in the comment box. Like the video, share it with your friends, and if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.